Hello students, I'm Mr. Madden and this is Miss James, and today we're going to be talking about how a bill becomes into a law. Okay students, this is step one on how a bill becomes a law. First, the bill has to be introduced, and how the bill is introduced, an idea has to form in somebody's head. Anybody can have this idea, and after they have this idea they can contact their representative, and then after they contact the representative will actually help you write the bill, and then it'll be sent to a committee. Okay, the second step is the bill will go to a committee. When it goes to the committee, it'll be examined by a group of people, and they'll discuss it, and they'll talk about it, and they'll make subtle changes to it. After they make changes to it, if they have any more questions about it, they'll bring in some experts about it, and they'll answer the questions about it. And a little known fact about the committee: most bills will die in committee, but if it's one of the few that go past the committee, it will go to the House of Representatives. When it goes to the House of Representatives, it will be discussed on by a group of 435 people. There is 435 people in the House of Representatives, and we have like 30 in this classroom. So we take like an hour to discuss something in this class. So how long do you think it'll take for the committee of 435 people to discuss this bill? And they'll all discuss it, and they'll all make changes on it. And after everybody has been happy about what they've made changes on, they'll vote on it. And if they vote on it and it passes, it will go to the Senate. Okay, then it goes to the Senate. And after it goes to the Senate, if they discuss about it, and if they don't like it, they make changes on it, and then it gets sent back to the committee to make changes again. And if it gets passed through the committee, it goes back to the House of Representatives, gets re-voted on, gets sent back to the Senate to where they vote on it. And if it gets passed, then it goes back to the President. Okay, so now it's passed on to the President. Now the President has three things he can do. He can sign it into a law, he can just refuse to sign it or veto it, where it will be sent back to the House or the Senate and be re-voted on, and if he has a 60% majority on it, it will become a law anyways. Or he could do nothing and it does the same thing, basically vetoes it. But if he signs it, it becomes a law, and there's how a bill becomes a law.